Okay, this video is about sway bar links. There's a new one installed. Here's the old one. The ball and socket comes apart, starts scraping on stuff, or it starts making clunky noises. Best way to get these off, learned a long time ago. They're going in the trash anyway, and you'll never get the rusty bolts off. I take my 4-inch grinder with a cutoff wheel, real thin cutoff wheel, align it up and just cut them off. The bottom one, if it's still attached, this side was still attached, the other side and the bottom was broken. No problem. Once you get the top one cut, or the one you can get at easier, just break the beast off. Or if you can't break it off, go in here and cut it off. That way the rod isn't in your way. Then you can get back in here. You can see the marks where the blade hit. Cut it right off again. Get it close, give it a little love, and it'll break right off. Put the new ones in. These were 17 millimeter, two 17 millimeter wrenches, one on each side. Some have the Allen in the front, but this is the trick. Cut the things off because they're going in the trash anyway. Thanks.